In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to superscript in Wix. Now, you might be wondering why this is necessary. Well, currently, the Wix editor doesn't directly support superscript or subscript formatting. But don't worry, I've got a simple workaround to help you achieve that superscript look on your website. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Once you're in, go ahead and click on Edit Site to start making changes. This will open your site editor, where we'll be setting up the superscript format. Once you're in the editor, you'll want to add a new text box to your Wix page. To do this, click on the Add button on the left side of the editor. From there, select Text and choose a style that's closest to what you have in mind. This will add a text box to your page where you'll input the main part of your text. Now that you have your main text box set up, enter the primary text that you want displayed. This is where you'll type most of your content. For example, if you're writing a chemical formula, type H and O here. Next, to create the superscript effect, you'll need to add another text box. You do this by following the same steps as before. Click on Add, then Text, and select a style. This second box is where you'll type the text you want to appear as superscript. For example, you might type 2 if you're aiming to write out the formula for water, H2O. To achieve that superscript look, you'll need to tweak the text in this second box. Start by reducing the font size. Make it considerably smaller than the main text. This change will help differentiate it as a superscript. After adjusting the size, position this text box slightly above the first one. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get it just right. You'll want it to align in a way that it looks natural and clean over your main text. By manually adjusting the size and position of your text, you're effectively doing what the built-in superscript feature would do. The aim is to visually align your smaller text so it appears part of your primary content, ensuring that it remains readable and doesn't distract from the main message. Through these steps, you can create the appearance of superscript text in Wix, even though it's not natively supported. This workaround should blend seamlessly into your design and help maintain that professional look you're going for on your site. Now, go ahead and try it for yourself. Your website visitors won't be able to tell the difference.